Yeah, one dirty woman from Flatbush, one thinking mouth woman will like say, body dead in a fear, blood clot body. One body down in a fear stomach, come talk about woman from Florida, all she to come suck me out. You better go make one dentist take out the blood dead body with down your blood clot body and don't call me name. What me know? Me there Florida. Hold on, that's me powerful. Me never know somebody there with El Chapo. Me never know somebody blood clot used to fuck El Chapo. That's me can stay in Florida and get out hard and people gone. But if that's the case, don't be scared of me. Stop calling me name. Scared of me then. If me did there with El Chapo, don't stop afraid of me then. Stop calling me blood clot name. Put on the blood clot, Buddha. If I did me, I mean lower so much. I mean what's that wickedness put on in a boat? On a gun on the side and go hunt the girl. Go hunt for the girl. When them say about baga, yes, the wickedness and I put on people name. I can support because me and a pussy. The whole of New York knows me and a pussy. And them knows that and a pussy. So when them can't call up your name, nobody can do me nothing with. Me as them say, them can't wait till me land in New York. Never wait when me land. Tiny day me land, me ever stop in New York when me land. Cause no blood clot kill me. Me a blood clot. Uno not kill me. Me a tell you that. People are union over. Remember me tell you that. Me not kill me.
Yeah,
Uno go look out. Then uno 20 uno I try turn down for me and I call me name and I still can't blood clot beat me. Me's a winner. And I still can't beat them, I still can't do me nothing. When I go in a tent, me no want to back up blood clot dance. I'm me alone sing. I'm me alone I sing. Nobody not there behind me I sing. When you come test me, when you come try me.
Oh, I tell you, say, when I look on the IG and I see the wicked people them, and I see the wicked people them, only thing I could have say is save me, oh God, by thy name and judge me by thy strength. Hear my prayer, oh God, I'm read. I'm calling some friend read Psalms 35. I wanted that woman said down read Psalms 91. Me say people when me and them out on road every day. People when me there and them party. People when me see the whole of them stand up. And nobody, them a make video for show them big, ugly, nasty blood clot thinking said, fucky, Ryan Nazareth, blood clot, so cocky, lick out back, you walk and fuck, take everybody blood clot, man, self. You understand, Batman, blood clot, Salamite, who no done old gun. Hey, me tell you, so when I see them, I tell you, say no. The devil that tell me, say down, if you did have a hood, you know, take it out and go over there and spray out. There will blood clot fly. They're wicked.
Bad. Wicked is an understatement. Wicked is not the word.
Yeah, me no want none of them talk to me. Me tell you something.
The word.
None
Any
of them can.
let me walk.
Say, none of them can come put fight with me. You know what? They're going to chop off them head clean off of them body. Guess what happen? They're going to make them real. Like when rain a fall. I see one day, I just creep up and chop off them head off of them body clean. And that's what I do with one of them. I'm not put my mouth a ground. Since you know want me charge for murder, then show no murder. And chop off one of them head off of them body clean.
Look here, my girl, hold on, Dan. My girl, let me tell you something, my girl. I want to be anybody in New York. Me know the law. No police can come for you when you dead. We are Florida. So what happen? Police can't get the pink tower with your phone and sister down in our house, me in my house, and the pick that have nothing to do with me. Who go over there go do? Me never in a police. That have nothing to do with it. So no police can question nobody else.
And you see, from me come off of the train, let me tell you about how round here stay. Round here, for you come off of the train, camera, the whole around here, so camera come straight round. Ask anybody about this. You can't kill somebody around another neighborhood and get to it. You understand? Anyway, your vehicle turn your vehicle and the whole place camera. 6 or 7 own around here, so. You understand? I'm going to tell you, so when them come, Erica, you come, and you are the first one to jump up and say, Dan. And the next big soaker, we all one with their blood clot UK. You understand? And me not really hear nobody from New York, yeah. Really, you understand? Cause them are eye behind fake page. But Erica, yeah, must be investigated, yeah. The woman at UK and some more. But really and truly, the people them, when we say when the Lit and the Brooklyn people them falling, listen to this. Imagine nobody not even speak it amongst them one another say no, so them for stop calling woman them name. Because
Yeah.
it was yeah. You understand them just keep silent and if on a wickedness stuff and them do that to the girl and them know exactly what happened. Come on. Jesus carried the cross. Wanna give people on the earth to carry the cross? For no reason. Them suppose somebody to kill me. I wanted that to kill me. I see it. Let me tell you a story. You know, say, and me tell you it already. I'm never talking. You know, say last week Thursday, she died this Saturday night. You understand? You see? Yeah. Yeah, Mr. All the girl named Candy from Baga Baga TV put it. That must go to prison. For what she has to go to prison? What me do, girl? What me do?
Say you do what?
She said me forgot prison.
She say you forgot prison?
Yes. What me do? What me do?
Allah tell. Who says a back in girl from Baga Baga?
Yeah.
Allah tell. Me have it. Me don't have a fake page. Me don't know about
no fake page. Put step on her live when she says that me forgot prison. It's not fake page. So I just block them and I just hold my head straight. I know say one of them things here. And Destiny again. I ball out down for go to prison. Me now go to prison because get some happen Destiny. You did come over here in the prison. Done. Yeah.
If people them say, Baga Baga, that's what a fake page. Baga Baga.
No, it's not a fake page. It's not. Don't tell me.
Them say Candy not doing that. That was the fake page.
Girl. Me and Candy are Baga Baga for years. It's Candy.
Done. I told you already. Baga Baga did put over something and say, and say it was a fake page. I don't know. I'm not gonna go against you. I'm not gonna go anything else you said. Who says come on and black and No, the people that said it was a fake page. And then, one of them said it's not a fake page right now.
Hello, Candy and Darius, I forgot prison. I must be investigating.
Alright, Dan, me done. Anything what you say, I said go.
If Terry and Dan, alright then. Mama, come over for them page. Mama, unfollow them.
You understand why Mama must go to prison? What have I done? Eh? As a mother, like the woman we dead, and a grandmother, what I said.
You look at them, where you hang up on Mama, and you unfollow them, that is in trouble.